This video uses AI-generated visuals and narration for educational and documentary purposes only. All information is based on publicly available, non-classified sources. This content does not promote violence and fully complies with YouTube community guidelines. The most advanced military aircraft on Earth doesn't rely on speed, doesn't rely on firepower, and doesn't even want to be seen? No loud afterburners, no flashy design, no public specifications, just silence. And a shadow that changes how wars are prevented, not fought. This is the B-21 Raider. Why the B-21 matters. The B-21 Raider is not just another bomber. It is a strategic idea turned into metal and code, built for a world where detection is deadly, where satellites watch every movement, and where survival depends on remaining invisible. Unlike older bombers designed during the Cold War, the B-21 was born in the age of digital surveillance, AI tracking, and global sensors, and that makes it one of the most important aircraft ever created. The meaning behind the name Raider. The name Raider is not random. It honors the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, a small group of pilots who carried out one of the most daring long-range missions in history. Just like them, the B-21 is designed for long-range missions, deep penetration, precision, and safe return. Not through brute force, but through intelligence and stealth. A bomber built for the future. The B-21 Raider was developed by Northrop Grumman, the same company behind the legendary B-2 Spirit. But make no mistake, this is not a B-2 upgrade. The B-21 is smaller, smarter, more adaptable, and built for decades of future upgrades. It is designed to fly well into the 2050s and beyond. Stealth, more than just shape. When people think of stealth, they think of shape. Yes, the B-21 has a flying wing design. Yes, it minimizes radar reflections. But true stealth is much more than that. The B-21 is designed to reduce radar detection, infrared heat signature, electronic emissions, acoustic noise. Even the way it communicates is carefully controlled. In simple words, the B-21 doesn't just hide, it avoids being noticed at all. Digital engineering and open architecture. One of the biggest breakthroughs of the B-21 is something you cannot see. It's open systems architecture. This means software can be updated like a modern computer. New sensors can be added without redesigning the aircraft. Future technologies can be integrated easily. Older aircraft needed years for upgrades. The B-21 is designed for rapid evolution. This keeps it relevant without massive redesign costs. Pilot plus autonomy balance. The B-21 is a manned aircraft, but it is built to work seamlessly with automation. Advanced systems assist the crew by managing navigation, reducing workload, monitoring threats. The goal is not to replace pilots, but to allow them to focus on decision-making instead of manual tasks. This balance increases safety, efficiency, and mission success. Range and global reach, public info only. What makes the B-21 truly strategic is its global reach. Without discussing classified numbers, public sources confirm that the B-21 can fly intercontinental distances, operate from secure bases, reach targets anywhere in the world, and return safely. This capability acts as deterrence, not aggression. Its presence alone influences global stability. Why the B-21 is called a deterrent? Here's an important truth. The most powerful weapons are often never used. The B-21 exists to prevent conflict, maintain strategic balance, reduce the chance of large-scale war by being unpredictable, undetectable, and reliable. Its strength lies in what it could do, not what it actually does. Cost control and modern design philosophy. Unlike older programs that went over budget, the B-21 was designed with cost control in mind. Key strategies include digital testing instead of physical prototypes, modular components, faster production cycles. This makes it one of the most carefully managed aircraft programs in U.S. history. First flight and public debut. When the B-21 was finally revealed, it shocked the aviation world. Not because of flashy details, but because of how little was revealed. Even today, exact specifications remain classified. Performance details are limited. Design secrets are protected. And that is intentional, because mystery is part of the role of the B-21 in modern air strategy. In today's world, Wars are not decided by numbers alone. They are decided by information, speed, and survivability. The B-21 Raider was designed for exactly this environment. Instead of flying straight into danger, it operates as part of a connected system, working alongside satellites, drones, cyber networks, and intelligence platforms. It is not a lone aircraft. It is a central node in a much larger strategy. Why stealth still matters in the missile age. Some people ask, if missiles are so advanced, why do stealth bombers still matter? The answer is simple. Missiles are powerful, but they need accurate targeting data. The B-21 is designed to enter contested airspace quietly, gather real-time intelligence, operate before defenses fully react. Stealth is not about being invisible forever. It is about buying time. Time to act, time to adapt, time to survive. The flying wing design is a strategic choice. The flying wing design of the B-21 is not aesthetic. It serves multiple purposes, reduces radar reflections, improves fuel efficiency, allows internal payload storage, minimizes exposed surfaces. By keeping everything internal, the aircraft maintains a clean profile that is harder to detect across multiple sensors. This design philosophy is central to its mission. Crew safety and mission survivability. Even though the B-21 uses advanced automation, human presence remains critical. The aircraft is designed to reduce pilot workload, improve situational awareness, enhance survivability. Redundant systems ensure that even if one system fails, others continue operating. Safety is not optional. It is engineered into every layer of the aircraft. Adaptability, the key to long life. One of the biggest mistakes in older aircraft programs was locking technology too early. The B-21 avoids this. Its open architecture allows software upgrades without major redesign, sensor replacement as technology evolves, compatibility with future systems. This means the aircraft can adapt to threats that do not even exist yet. That adaptability is what gives it longevity. The role of AI in data processing. Artificial intelligence does not fly the B-21, but it supports decision-making. I assist by processing large volumes of sensor data, identifying patterns, reducing reaction time. This allows the crew to focus on strategy, not information overload. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Production and scalability. Unlike previous stealth bombers, the B-21 is designed for scalable production. This is important. Instead of a small, extremely limited fleet, the goal is a balanced number of aircraft that can be maintained efficiently. Scalability ensures lower cost per unit, better availability, long-term sustainability. This approach reflects modern defense planning.